So, guys, let's explore the interface of um, Canva. Let's see the different tools that we can use, how we can access them, and so on. So, let's load the app up. Okay, we have this. So, yeah, it's asking for what you want to create. Is it a post for social media? Is it a video, document, and so on? Then, if you come to design, you see previous designs that you've done. Advertising, they approve from it. So click on your designs. See previous designs that there, so see few that I've done here before. Okay. You can go to templates. You'll see different templates that you can work with there. The video templates, the designs templates, depending on whatever you need that you can work with there. So I'm making a poster now. I'm gonna click on poster. You'll see different templates of posters. You don't have to do it from scratch. We have this. Those with crown there, they are premium, so they are not free. But the ones without the crown, you are good to go. You can use them, they are free. So let's say, okay, this one is not free. Not free. I like the design though. Let's say you are working with something like this. So let's load up. Okay, we have this. Welcome June. So this design has different elements. Elements are different. Let me say different parts that put the design together. So this text is an element. You can move it about. Let's see, is it locked? Yeah, you can move it about. Yeah. So that's one element. That welcome text is another element. See that I move this now. If I do something and I want to undo the action, you see this arrow up here. I'll just click on it. So undo my action, click on it again, undo my action to go back to where it is. So this background too is another element, which is the image. Then this small text here. Let's see. I'm trying to access the small text. Let's see. So if you look at this place, I'm scrolling at different tools that you can use there. So if I want to replace this background, I can just replace it. If I have any photo in my gallery, I can still replace it. But let me see the knife for now. Now I cannot replace it. I don't have image. I wish to replace it. Let's see. Let's see. And bring this down. So I can click on that. Welcome. I can change it to nature. I can say is. And I can come to this text here, change it and say beautiful. Now I need to reduce it because now it's too big. So let me check down here. I should be able to reduce the font. So it's at 332 points. I click on it. Let's reduce it. Let's reduce it. Let me increase it a bit. Then move it up. And see. It can happen sometimes. I use it. Canva on your phone. Okay, now let's move it. Too much. Something like this. So we have something like this. Nature is beautiful. You can even change the font, but I'll leave the font because that playful font just give it a nice design. But if I click on font here, font is how your text looks like. And let's change it from here to where we want to use. I think that is great to use. So let's see this. Just beautiful. I think this is nice though. It's nice. It's nice. Okay. Click on it. Let's try to see if we can make it bold. Format. Click on this B to make it bold. Looks like this particular font does not support making it bold. There are some fonts like that, they don't have a bold version per se. So let's see. Because if I click on this nature now, click on nature, and I try to make it bold. Let's see it to become bold. See now, so it becomes bold. Just when that particular font does not support making it bold there. So that's how you just work with and try to understand the Canva interface. So you can remove background, you can do a lot of things. You can change colors. So I can decide that, oh, this nature, I want to change the color. So you see this A here, that's the font color. I'll click on it. You can come here and see I want it to be white. We have this. We have something like this. So the black there earlier was very nice. Let me see if I change both to white. Let's say it appears though. That nature is beautiful. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. So we have something like this. Okay. After doing this edit, I had to click on that mark symbol there to tell them I'm done with those text. So if I want to add something, I can just click on elements. I told you the element are different parts that makes up that design. So if I want to add another thing to the element, I can do that too. So let's see. I'll tell it I want to add. See. Let's want to add shape. So let's see the shape we have access to. So let me just use this line. That straight line there. So can you see the line now? Yeah. I have this here. And just put it on that. Something like this. Let's crop in. So I can decide to change this line to white. So stroke color. Because now it's just a line, it's not a shape that has breadth and height. So it just has a width. So I'll click on stroke color. and I'll change to white. So we have something like this. So we didn't even have to build it from scratch or try to think too much to come up with an idea. We actually something like this. Nature is beautiful. So I'll click on this. So let's assume that okay, we are done with our design. I want to save it. What I need to do is I'll click on this download here. You see that option up there, that symbol of download, that's what you click on. Then it asks me the format I want to save the video in. It's loading. Loading. Tell it allow. Suppose if I ask me the format I want it to be. I'm coming first. Let me click on this other option beside that download. I see this is what I'm looking for. Okay, this one is also share it, but you also see download here too. Let me see more. Okay. So that's a download. So it's downloading already. I was expecting this. Yes, I was expecting. So it's better I use that second option. Click on that part that shows it like as if you want to upload something. Click on that part. Yeah, so you can download in PNG, which is portable graphics, or JPEG. So we have this. Both are good for you to go with. So I can decide to export in PNG or in JPEG, or as SVG if you are someone that is working with vector graphics, or you want to use on an app or a website, or as a video if you added animation to it. So we are good to go. I'm going with JPG, and then I click on download, and it will download it for me. So I should be able to see it on my gallery, and you can share it to any platform you want to share it on. So I click on open. Let's open with photos. So we have this design. Nature is beautiful. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.